Today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices. Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is a big emergency video about Bitcoin, about crypto. I want to talk about price targets and I want to talk and answer the question, is this the exact move we've all been waiting for? Is this the beginning of the last parabolic run towards the upside before the bull market ends? What price targets can we be looking at? I want to talk about my multi-million US dollar long positions on Bitcoin, on altcoins, and much, much more. Dear ladies and gentlemen, the answer to these questions might surprise you. This is what I want to tell you. This video, I will keep it very short. Let's go straight into it. Let's start with the charts. Let's talk about my prices, my trades and my price targets. But dear ladies and gentlemen, one thing I want to ask you for is smash up the like button to a new all-time high if you want Bitcoin to go to a new all-time high very soon. Now let's go straight into the charts and let's talk about Bitcoin. First, as you know, Bitcoin is the front runner. Bitcoin is usually like a leading indicator for altcoins, right? It hasn't been for the last 2 years. I have been warning about that. I'm holding 10% in altcoins, but I have to say only 10% in altcoins. So far, it's just Bitcoin pumping, and usually altcoins are getting diluted for a very specific reason. But now let's focus first on Bitcoin. And here you can see we had this ascending triangle. We basically reached my price target. And if you are following me on Twitter, this is not coming with any surprise. I mean, yesterday I was posting how the W pattern failed. And then we have this new ascending triangle at 105,000. I posted it. I predicted that specific breakout, as you can see, and I predicted the price target of 18,600 US dollars. And as you can see, this is exactly what was happening. We just reached, at the moment of this recording, 18,600 US dollars. Now the question is this already it, or can we go higher? And to answer this question, we have to go out onto the daily candles for Bitcoin actually. And I want to answer this question for you. But first of all, let's quickly go here into my trades, right? And what you can see is that Bitcoin and Ethereum trades are still open. The Bitcoin trade, the short-term trade, 1.3 million US dollars almost in a profit. The long-term trade, 15 million US dollars in unrealized profits, 10 million US dollars in realized profits. And the Ethereum trade, 870,000 US dollars in profits. And yes, these trades are still open, but I am planning to close them probably a little bit sooner than you might think. And the reason for that is that the vast majority of this bull market time-wise is actually, it's almost over, right? I'm not saying that this bull market is exactly over, but look, if we are going from the bear market bottom all the way until today, you can see that basically 3 years or so have passed already. A bull market usually just takes a little bit more than or approximately 3 years. So maybe we have a maximum of 2 months more, maximum. What I believe this is at best the beginning of the last big move. I will talk about price targets shortly. But what you can see here, what on the hourly candle, amazing, we just broke higher. On the daily candle, you can see we are facing resistance very, very soon. And I am bullish on Bitcoin. Don't get me wrong. I have these trades open. Don't get me wrong. But we are facing resistance here very soon, somewhere around 109, 110,000 US dollars. The next resistance is coming in as price target, as potential price target for this bull run towards the upside for Bitcoin. Yes, I do want to mention something also for this price target. Yes, potentially we can look out for price levels of 118 or even the Fibonacci golden extension. But this is something to wait for of 130,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. Be very careful though. Dear ladies and gentlemen, many people are expecting another 6 month, 12 month up for Bitcoin. I think this is very unlikely. And yes, I am going to trade the up and coming move. I am going to do that. I don't know if you listened to the last video where I said Bitcoin, listen to this urgently. If not, you need to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell to not miss out on these videos. Many people are not getting these notifications. And yes, I am going to trade these moves towards the upside or towards the downside, most likely towards the upside. This Monday move is a good one. You can see I have a Bybit link, $30,000 free bonus, Levix link where I'm going to post my trades. very soon. And actually, I said that for quite some time. I think by the next week, I will most likely start. And you can see the BitUnix link where you can trade from wherever you want as well. Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is already it for today. And I'm going to be back here very soon with the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye. Bye.